Please don't forget to follow us on social media and visit our website stateofdata.com for more free educational resources and daily quizzes on Python, machine learning, and data-related disciplines. So now we have finished the hard quiz about factorial, and you think you might deserve a break, and you almost do, but we have one more thing to learn about while loops, and that's the break statement. Break gives us a way to stop the loop even while the test condition is true. And here is the structure of a while loop with the break statement. So we had the while keyword with a test expression that evaluates to true or false. Then we had a block of code inside of it that gets executed each time the test expression evaluates to true. And then we had an if statement that's going to have another test expression, and we'll call that the break test. That's a test expression that's checking whether it's time to take a break. When the break test is true, what we have is break, which by itself is all we need. What break means is stop executing the while loop, jump out of the while loop and continue. So we could have more code, so we could have another block of code indented at the same level with the if keyword. What break means is stop executing the while loop and jump out of the while loop and continue with the code after that. Whatever the block that's indented at the same level with the if statement is, will break out to the after while block of code. So remember, before we defined the procedure print numbers without using the break. This is the code that we had before. We could rewrite that using the break statement. We could initialize the variable I to hold the value of 1. Then we can start the while loop with the true value, the boolean true value. Then we will test if I is bigger than n. In that case, we will break out of the loop and will print I. And remember, we need to assign the value of I plus 1 to the variable I. That way we increase its value by 1. So this is how we can define the print numbers function using the while loop with the break statement. So now it's time for a quiz. And the question is, which of these are equivalent to while t execute s? So the possible choices are while t, if false, break, then s. The second choice is while t, s, and break. The third one is while true, if t, break, and then s. The fourth one is while t, else, break. So try to think of that carefully and choose the correct answer. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them via the course discussion board, and I'll see you on the next lecture. Thank you. Please don't forget to follow us on social media and visit our website stateofdata.com for more free educational resources and daily quizzes on Python, machine learning, and data-related disciplines.